Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam crystal candy dish. So what you're going to need some Angel's Tears pendants. Also, you'll need some Teardrop pendants. These pendants are from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need one of these plastic bowls. You're going to need a glass candle holder plate. You will need at least one of these taper candle holders, but if you'd like for your candy dish to have a little bit more height, you could use two of these. Or a taller candle holder from, say, Goodwill or some other place. Now, I have some Fill and Stick Gemstones here. This is a multi-pack from Walmart. For the purposes of the video, I'll be using hot glue on my project, but if you'll be using this project extensively, or you'd like for it to be permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam crystal candy dish turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. I did go ahead and switch out the Angel's Tears pendants for the Arrowhead pendants, and I will have that information in the description box below for you guys with the affiliate links for the Arrowhead pendants as well. But yeah, I mean, you could use this as a candy dish. You could certainly use it as a small fruit bowl for things like maybe tangerines or plums. So yeah, it's pretty versatile, but let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.